everybody, this is Taz. I'm back in front of you today wearing the Henry Margu Harper in the color 614 GR. I do have a full review posted out there, but I'm using this style to demonstrate how to create a fake part on your permateased top wig. As you know, Harper has a lace front, but then it's heavily permateased on a closed top, open wefted sides and back. A lot of permatease on this style. So even though the lace front is impeccable, very beautiful and natural looking, I wanted to create a fake part to go along with that lace front. So what you're going to need to create this fake part is an eyeshadow palette I have here, or if you just have a single eyeshadow, what you're looking for is an eyeshadow color that is very pale and flesh toned. So I'll be using this one called Supermom, which is a nice pale flesh tone palette. And then I'm going to select a very thin brush, one that you can focus and concentrate the eyeshadow down into that part with ease. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is just figure out where you want your part to be. So typically on a permateased wig, you'll still have some sort of defined parting space. You'll go ahead and dab that brush into the eyeshadow, and then you'll separate the area. You'll separate that part, and then you will dab. Make sure that you dab in very deeply. It may take a couple of coatings. Make sure that the line is thin. You don't want a big wide area of eyeshadow. You just want a very thin area there, just to give the illusion of part. And you can see with the finished product here how beautiful that actually is. It's very natural looking, especially from a distance. Let's go ahead and compare before and after. This method of creating a fake part can be used on any permateased top wig. If you don't have a lace front, that's okay. I do happen to have my Kimber by Tony of Beverly in Rooted Blonde that I've done this technique to. Let's check it out. Unfortunately, this is a discontinued style, this Kimber, but it's a completely open cap with a lot of permatease on top. There's no lace front on this one, so I went ahead and used that eyeshadow technique. And it did deliver something that looks like a natural part, at least from a distance. The nice part about doing this is when you're using that eyeshadow, it comes out with washing. So if you want to move your part around and create a part in another area, you can absolutely do that. And because it's not a permanent thing, you may have to reapply that eyeshadow each time you wear it, just to kind of freshen up the look. Take care, everybody. See you next time on Taz's Wig Closet.